And 4, another 1, 2, 3. Next. Nasaan si next? Nasaan si A minor? Second. Yun. And 1, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Balik sa C. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one. Ano yung A minor? And 1, 2. Okay, last one. C ulit. And 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. A minor. And okay, good. Last one, balik ng C. Isang bagsak. And okay. So, meron ka na agad dalawang chords. Yung next chords natin, we'll do it next time. Okay? For now, na-experience mo na yung